This Japanese mistake makes you sound like a caveman. So you wanted to say I watched a movie. And the proper way to say this would be eiga o mita. But you think that the o is a filler particle. So you drop it to sound casual, but now you sound like movie watch. Now you might be confused because Japanese people always drop particles in casual speech. But there are rules on which ones you can actually drop. So o is one that you want to keep. Like native speakers can drop o when they're with friends, but foreigners just sound incompetent. It's like saying me watch thing in English. My AI language girlfriend also taught me that you can't drop ga, ni, and be as well. So if you wanted to learn Japanese by voice like me, then check out Pingo AI.